Hey, what's up, Abdul? This is Devin with SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. And you're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. And so I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of those business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve. If you want me to help you out, just give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. This is free education. Now, Abdul, the 3 things I'm going to tell you about today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is everything on the front page of your website that Google can look through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are phrases that people search into Google to find your business, such as like Fence Repair Plano or Plano Fence Contractors or stuff like that. Now, Google looks at authoritative websites as having 1,500 to 2,000 words on their front page stuffed with those keywords, and that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So if you look at your website, you have a great looking website. This logo is really, really creative, and you've got a lot of images on here, which is great because humans are really, we are visual creatures. So it's awesome to see that, and it's just beautiful all around. As far as content goes, let's see how much you're looking at word-wise. So you only have about 800 words on your front page. You're going to want to get that up to about 1,500 at a minimum, if not 1,000. And in your industry, it's pretty competitive, so I would say closer to 2,000. But this right here, you're almost on the money. I would save this as things such as like cedar fence in Plano or something like that. Iron fence header, but like iron fence in Plano. This one. Chain link fence in Plano. You know, stuff like that people are going to be searching for. That counts as content. Your main competitors are Fence Makeovers. They don't have as much content as you, so you're already beating them there. But Plano Fence Services, they have a lot of content. They're sitting at about 1,200 to 1,500 themselves already. So I'd recommend definitely getting 1,500, if not 2,000 words on your front page. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because it's like Google's like a popularity contest. And look at how many other websites on the internet are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fencing companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. And so I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So woodwindersfence.com has 14 websites linking to it. If you look at Fence Makeovers, these guys have 57 linking to them. And Plano Fence Services, they only have 8 linking to them. These guys have less domains linked to them, but they're ranking higher than you just because they have better content. Right? You can see them right here. So what I recommend, again, getting those 1,500 words on your front page, if not 2,000. But then go get the good links from these guys, beat them out, and just take the good ones, leave the bad ones behind. Like fence repair is going to be good for you. Split rail fence will be good for you. Stuff like that. You know, anything that has to do with fencing will be good. Last thing I'm going to tell you about, Abdul, is going to be citations. When someone types in fence repair Plano, they're going to be, and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first contractor that shows up that looks trustworthy. And you want to be that contractor because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads nowadays because, one, a lot of people have had bad experiences, so they just choose to skip them. But there's also a lot of people who have ad blockers, so they never even see them. The best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map pack section. And to get here, you need more citations to your competitors. Citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, stuff like that. The great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, go list yourself in those exact same directories, and then add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding at least 30 to 40% more. That way, once you take the number 1 spot, it takes your competitors a long time to catch up to you. You typically have to do an hour or 2 of work per month to hold the number 1 spot and keep getting all those easy customers. So that's all I've got for you, Abdul. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was content. I definitely recommend getting this website up to 1,500 to 2,000 words. Backlinks, you're going to want to get at least another 60 to 75 websites pointing at you and make sure they're within the fencing industry. And then citations, figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. So Abdul, if you want to do this yourself, again, this is free, no obligation. This video is just an educational video for you. All I ask is you give me a couple words of feedback as a response. Whether it's good feedback or bad feedback doesn't matter. It's just going to help me grow. And if you want me to do this for you, our website is SEO DallasTX.com. And our phone number is 214-441-6737. And if you're looking at our website on mobile, click this link and it goes right to our phones. Thank you so much for watching this, Abdul. Have a great day.